In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to safely adjust the retention of your new Crossbreed LightGuard for a secure and reliable fit. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that your firearm is safe and unloaded, which I've already done. Now, locate the 4 screws along the slider. There's 2 along the front and 2 on the rear. Go ahead and loosen those with a Phillips screwdriver until that slider is able to move freely. Keep in mind, you may need to loosen the 2 screws on your clip and scoot that out of the way. And as soon as they're loose, go ahead and extend that out all the way and insert your unloaded firearm. Holding the holster at its lowest point, you're going to want to squeeze gently until you feel it meet the firearm and tighten the front and rear bottom screw. Now, it's really important that this slider is parallel or slightly canted outward. This is going to allow the firearm to be drawn without getting caught up at the top. So once you have that, then go ahead and tighten the top screws. Now, once the 4 slider screws are properly secure, you should hear a nice click, ensuring proper retention. Some models may require you to tighten your screws underneath the light as well as your trigger guard. You can continue to fine-tune your holster to whatever fits your needs. Right now, I've got it just like I like it. But if it's too tight for you, you can go back and adjust your slider or fine-tune your attention with these screws right here. Thanks for tuning in, and continue to train responsibly with your Crossbreed LightGuard.